This is Miss Wyatt. I'm here to go over the following resources with you that you will need for college seminar over the next 2 to 3 weeks while we are out from school. So we're going to go over how to sign up for appointment slots with your counselor. We're going to go over setting up reminders on Google Calendar, how to join a calendar hangout, and how to share your screen on a hangout so that when you are meeting with Mr. Moran, Ms. Sanchez, Ms. Garcia, or I, you are able to do all of those things to be counted as present for college seminar. Over calendar slots first, each of us is going to send you, or there will be a link posted on Google Classroom for all 4 of our calendars. So you'll pick one of us and click on our calendar slots link, which will probably take you to a page looking like this. Right now it says there are no available appointment slots for this time range, which is this week right now. So we're going to go over to the next week. And if you see, I'm looking at Mr. Moran's calendar. There are a ton of one-on-ones set up right now. So to sign up for any of them, you just pick the time. So this would be 9:30 on Monday. And they're 15-minute appointment slots. When you are ready to join one, you'll click Save. And now you are officially booked for that appointment. If you want to sign up for more than one one-on-one, you're welcome to, but we're going to cap you guys to 2 one-on-ones a week just so that we have enough time to meet with everybody. If you now go to your Google Calendar, so it says View or Edit in Google Calendar, when you look at that Monday, you'll see that that one-on-one now shows up on your calendar. So just kind of going back to our goals, that is how you book a calendar slot on Google Calendar, and that is how you'll set up and pick your times for one-on-one meetings with a college counselor. We're now going to go through setting up reminders on Google Calendar and how to do that. So for any individual appointment that you make on Google Calendar, if you personally want to add a reminder, if you click on Edit Event, you can click Add a Notification. So there are 2 different notifications that you can sign up for. An email will send you an email 10 minutes before your calendar slot. So if you are regularly checking your LPS email, that might be helpful. If you are just kind of keeping your computer open, a notification might be a little bit more helpful. Or if you have Google Calendar added to your cell phone, a notification will send you a pop-up on your screen, especially if you have alarms or reminders set up on your phone for that. But I would highly recommend adding some sort of a notification, whether it's 30 minutes before or 1 day before, so that you remember you remember that you've signed up for that meeting and you don't miss that appointment slot. After you've added that notification, you'll want to click Save, and that way, right now I have it set up so that 30 minutes before, I will get a notification that my appointment is happening with Mr. Moran. Okay, next we're going to go on to how to join your Google Calendar Hangout. So when the time comes, and it is, let's pretend right now that it is 9:30 on Monday, March 16th, and I'm ready to join my one-on-one with Mr. Moran. I'm going to go to my Google Calendar, and you can get to there just as a reminder by clicking on your apps, and calendar should pop up somewhere in here. I'll click on that appointment slot, and I'll click Join Hangouts Meet. And so, hi guys, the camera should pop up. When Mr. Moran joins, it'll say he is here, but you can join even if he is not there. And to just get you started, this might create kind of a weird video time warp. You are going to be presenting your screen. I think. So we'll click Present. And you can either share the application window, so the window that your screen is on, or your entire screen, whatever you feel more comfortable with. I would kind of recommend doing your entire screen because then you don't have to worry about changing the tab that you're on. So you'll click on the screen and then you'll click share. If an item like this pops up, you might need to change your system preferences on Chrome or on your own computer, and just give them permission to see your screen. So this is currently what my security settings look like. If that doesn't pop up, that's great. You should be able to share your screen, but just make sure that you've given Google Chrome permission to share your screen. So it looks like I'm going to have to quit out of Google Chrome and then sign back up. So just bear with me for a moment. Okay, so I'm back to my calendar. I updated my settings so that my computer can now share my screen. I'm going to go back to the calendar invite, click Join Hangouts Meet one more time. Mr. Moran is already on the call, so I'm going to click Present. And I will share my screen now. So I'm going to click on Share Your Entire Screen, click Share. And Mr. Moran, are you there?
Miss Wyatt, I'm here.
Great. So Mr. Moran and I can now, Mr. Moran can see my whole screen. So if I click on any of my other tabs, he can see my calendar right now.
Wow, you have nothing to do today.
Nothing on my calendar. And this way, that way Mr. Moran can see when you are going through your one-on-one with him. He can look at your portals with you. He can look at your Naviance screen with you. He can look at your financial aid with you, and the two of you can go through everything that you need together. When you are done having your one-on-one with your counselor, all you need to do is click the End Call button.
Bye, Miss Wyatt.
And that one-on-one will be over. So that is the third thing. Okay, so we've gone through a couple things in this video. We've gone through signing up for calendar slots, setting up reminders on Google Calendar, how to join a calendar hangout, and how to screen share on your hangout. If any of this feels unclear, please feel free to reach out to one of us. And maybe we can set up a hangout or a phone call to help you figure it out. Hope to talk to you soon. Can't wait to talk over your college decisions with you.